How do guidelines influence business practices? This video explores how businesses adapt to formal working practices and the impact of regulations. Discover how employers prioritize finding the right candidate with essential skills. Legal research is identifying and locating legal sources for a case. It involves finding laws, rules, and court opinions relevant to specific legal issues. Attorneys use it to support legal arguments in court. Law students also engage in legal research for class assignments. The process begins with creating a factual statement. Start by documenting all relevant facts of a case. Include dates and sequences of events. Even seemingly irrelevant facts can impact court proceedings. Ensure the statement reflects the current situation accurately. Use this information to develop a defense schedule and investigate the issue further. Legal inquiries often start with a narrative of events. In practice, it may be a task from a supervisor or a client meeting. Begin by reviewing all provided information. Frame the legal issues and assess what you know and need to learn. Note the jurisdiction and any relevant laws. Create potential inquiry terms based on the legal issues identified. Legal research can serve various purposes, such as identifying legal sources or solving recognized issues. Practicing attorneys must conduct research efficiently due to cost implications. Research expands knowledge of law and legal systems. It may also address policy considerations. Research ethics guide the conduct of research activities. Ethical standards relate to the research process and relationships. Conflicts may arise among researchers regarding ethical boundaries. Such conflicts can bring new perspectives to a topic. Research must adhere to established rules and values. Ethical dimensions in socio-legal research involve maintaining standards. Researchers must consider the moral implications of their work. Ethical guidelines ensure the integrity of research activities. Disagreements among researchers can highlight different ethical perspectives. These discussions can contribute to societal understanding. The black-letter approach focuses on traditional legal sources. It is a common starting point for legal research. This method examines the law for internal consistency. It often lacks engagement with real-world applications. Despite criticisms, it is essential for understanding legal foundations. Doctrinal research is a primary method in legal studies. It involves analyzing legal texts for consistency and coherence. While foundational, it is often supplemented with other methods. Researchers must go beyond doctrinal analysis to address broader questions. Understanding doctrinal research is crucial for comprehensive legal studies. Doctrinal research typically involves source-based analysis. It focuses on traditional legal sources like case law. Combining doctrinal research with other methods can be beneficial. For example, qualitative methods can analyze language use in statutes. Such approaches enhance understanding of legal language and application. Legal research often integrates various methods for a comprehensive approach. Combining doctrinal analysis with empirical methods provides deeper insights. Researchers must adapt to the evolving nature of legal studies. Understanding diverse methodologies enhances legal research outcomes. This integration is vital for addressing complex legal issues. Legal research is not confined to doctrinal methods. Researchers explore new methodologies to address emerging challenges. Interdisciplinary approaches enrich legal studies. Engaging with different perspectives fosters innovation in research. Expanding research horizons is crucial for legal advancement. Maintaining ethics and integrity is paramount in legal research. Researchers must adhere to ethical standards throughout their work. Ethical considerations ensure the credibility of research findings. Discussions about ethics can lead to improved research practices. Upholding integrity is essential for the legal profession. The future of legal research involves embracing technological advancements. Digital tools offer new opportunities for research efficiency. Researchers must adapt to changing legal landscapes. Innovation will drive the evolution of legal research methods. Staying informed is key to navigating future challenges. Embracing ethics and innovation is crucial for future success.